In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zapier on WooCommerce 5 minutes. Before we begin, make sure you already have a WordPress site with the WooCommerce plugin installed and active. That's your foundation. Next, you'll need the Zapier integration for WooCommerce plugin, which is available from the WooCommerce marketplace. Purchase it, then download the zip file to your computer. Head to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, choose Add New, and click Upload Plugin. Select the zip, install it, and activate. If you're prompted to complete any quick setup steps, follow them. A quick tip here, it's best to run the latest versions of WordPress and WooCommerce and to have a recent backup just in case. Now switch over to your Zapier account and open the apps page. Click Add Connection, search for WooCommerce, and select it. Zapier will open a new window asking for a few details to link your store securely. You'll enter your WordPress site address, your WordPress username, and a WordPress application password. If you haven't created an application password before, you can generate one from your WordPress user profile under application passwords. This creates a secure site-specific key so you never share your main login. Keep that key private and store it safely. When those fields are ready, confirm and continue to WooCommerce to complete the authorization. Make sure you're logged into the correct store as an administrator so the connection succeeds on the first try. Back in Zapier, it's time to build your first automation. Click Create Zap. For the trigger, choose the WooCommerce app and pick the event that should start your workflow, like when a new order is created or when an order status changes. Select your store connection and run the trigger test. If your store is new, it helps to have at least one sample order so Zapier can pull real data. Next, choose the action app you want to connect to, maybe a spreadsheet, a help desk, a CRM, or a messaging tool, and pick the action event. Map the WooCommerce fields to the fields in the second app, paying attention to details like customer email, order total, and line items. Run a test to make sure the data lands exactly where you expect. If everything looks good, turn the Zap on, give it a clear name, and keep an eye on Zap history for the first few runs to confirm it's working smoothly. That's it. Your WooCommerce store is now talking to your favorite tools through Zapier.